No, 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 no. No, we're cool. No, trust me, we're not going. No, we're coming back up soon. I know. I know. Oh yeah, like the leash you cut it. I get it, dude. I dig them. No, we a million of them. No, the adapter guides are all ready. Yeah, I'm sitting on a pile of them. I gotta just stock them. No, don't worry about it. Yeah, we're groovy. All right, man. Thanks for calling. Yo. Oh yeah, it's all right, man. No, how are you? No, I know. No, no, we didn't retire. No, that was Bill. No, we wish him the best. No, we're still around. No, no, we're gonna have the site's gonna be up end of October by first. Actually, it's probably gonna be sooner than that. Don't hold me to it, but it should be October 18th. Yeah, yeah, it's gonna be great. I might even have a little special code for you. We're good. We're good. Oh my god. Fuck. Why you no sell lock tools now? Okay. All right. So we got to address this, right? Because I have had my inbox blown apart every way from Sunday from all of you asking what happened to Red Team Tools? Is Red Team Tools okay? Has Red Team Tools been seized by the government? Are you still on this planet? Um, Fine, yes, no, mostly. And here's the deal. We got a whole bunch of cool changes coming. The site is getting a complete refresh. We're changing our fulfillment operation. We completely outgrew the people who were supporting us in the past. We're very happy they did for as long as they did. They stuck with us longer than they needed to, quite frankly. But we will be up again. We will be up again pretty shortly. I know we went down at the very end of September. It's been in maintenance mode. But check back on Monday the 18th. If not Monday, a couple days after that. Don't hold me to it. But you can hold me to this. Once the site comes back up, and it should be stocked with all the old goodies and plenty new things. Yes, the leashy nippers, we will have the cutter guides for them. They are ready to go. They are ready to blast. You can, at checkout, use the coupon code that I just made up, Red Team October. So October is the 10th month. Let's call it 10% off for all of October as a thank you to all of you who've stuck with us and hung around hoping to see us come back better than ever. Check out Red Team October. Check out the site when it's back. Get whatever you've been needing. I'm so sorry I've been neglecting you. Life, man, life gets in the way. But I'm listening to all the messages and the emails and the phone calls and everything else. Be back soon, right? In the meantime, stay safe out there.